Geraint Bladeslayer, the Knight of Dismay, is one of the blood chest pieces. Kill one card on the board, draw up to 2 random afterlife cards, place 1 in allies and up to 1 in the neutral area, or up to 2 in your recruits. Once played, place a card behind any card on the board. If card is in a recruits or loyalist row at the game's end, move 1 random neutral area card to recruits. So he's worded a little bit funny, but it allows for multiple different situations. So let's start through that then. Kill one card. I'll kill their 16. So let's say that there was no cards in the afterlife and now he's the only one. So I can take him and then I can just choose to put him in allies. But there's another card in the afterlife in this case. So we'll draw the 2, because we can draw up to 2 randomly, but there's only 2, so it's not much random to it. And then, so I can choose to place 1 in allies and 1 in the neutral area. Or I can take both of them in this case and put them in my recruits. So then once that's done, we'll place them behind any card on the board. I'll put them behind my 10 here. And now, so as long as at the game's end, he's in a recruits or loyalist, doesn't matter on either side. He gets his bonus as long as he's not in the neutral area or an ally. So let's say his game's in now and he gets it. So he gets a random neutral area card to recruits. So take this, shuffle, and we'll take this one. Nice extra 6 points. And that's the Knight of Dismay.